Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
I just slapped this together last week. It's not tuned or anything. I just slapped it together.
Really? Oh, so you just finished the box and all, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this past week. I mean, it's just a temporary port. Nice. There used to be 14 tens in here.
Whoa.
So basically, I had 14 tens in a V.
Okay.
It was 14 over, 7 over there and 7 over here. So basically, I just took this baffle out and rebuilt that baffle for 415s. You just slapped a port wall.
Yep, a loading wall to the fourth. Okay.
Yeah. Time to mess with it.
Yes, sir.
I need to mess with it so it'll actually play lower.
Yeah, got it. Nice. So what is your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Marty Maddox.
Okay.
4 Pride M45 15s. Ran on 4 Salt 8s.
Wow. Oh, those, what are these subs rated at?
4,500.
Okay. I don't think I've ever seen these before.
But right then, it was probably peaking out at 6,000 watts per sub.
Okay. Wow.
When it was playing. Probably
yes, sir.
When the loudest stuff hit, it was probably around 6,000.
Okay. Nice. Did a good job. What's the lithium and alternator power?
Right now it's an auto tech. It's got an auto tech. All I've got is an auto tech 320 because that's all I can fit.
Yep. Got it.
I got 12 banks of Plananos.
Oh, okay. Got it. Keeping your good voltage, yeah.
I got a lot of battery.
Yeah. Nice.
It's a lot of battery power. I just don't have enough alternator to push it.
Yes, sir. So, one per sub?
Yeah.
Do you have them at 1 ohm or?
Yeah, 0.3.
0.3. Oh, wow. Okay, 0.3. So you have some wiggle room. Okay. Nice.
They're at 0.3 each.
Wow. Got it. Nice.
And all of this whole thing is Plananos. And then on the side of the box, I got 4 more banks.
Okay.
You can't see them.
Yeah, you're hidden. Nice.
I don't have enough alternator power.
Okay, thank you very much, man. Nice to meet you.
Not even hot.
Yeah. Yeah. Be sure to give him a like. Crazy.
Up and the lights glow when I see it so low to the ground. I might scrape, then fake in its pain. I might flake, riding down 288, the top baby. Tell them this the shakedown, lay face down. What's it for the riding in the tank. I'm a 30 by 30 from 30 to 30 with a 30 keys, not out here block, light it up with it. When I'm fly, like a leg through a drip, exploding on the wood, yeah, simple like it's number 10. Bricks on the Mac 10, sounding like it's bubble. Tippy in the shower, I'm a kid that's with the steel, I'm a kid, yeah, I got them calling back. Like a baby, but it's spinning with my rider. Just ride my words, I don't need to know. They see me never leave it, I'm crossed up, kicking the dirt, and I'm bounced up. I'll be catching these things, fuck around, they get bounced up. I'll be eating the booty, let's how they get it. Low star, sipping lean with big arm pie, I don't like kind good. Got the best looking like Johnny Diamond. Deep muddy water stick, carry my got money left, pocket coke. Bulletproof white Cadillac, ride in the tank. I'm a 30 by baby from 30 by with a 30 cash, not out your block, light it up. Smoke that, smoke that. Keep keys in the drop, get the money down south. Doing like anything, got diamonds in my chain. I stay out the way, down the savings don't call me for see. I ain't saying no, but bitch come by. See the streets getting dry, finna go and take a trip, let's deal. I'm in the can't pretend to keep it tinted with my business. I'm relentless, ain't no witness. I got time for the house, bitches get rated.
Got a bag full of them fishes. Our business, cooking big cookies in the kitchen, chopping his spirit, nigga. He ain't got no cover, put him in the toaster. I don't like snakes in my gas, but I miss them. I know it, I be counting the money that I be sitting on the two, put the front in the back, and we kick in the dog. I'm a vice, and I'm taking your money. The dog in the black ice, yeah, getting missed, and I'm plugged in with real ice. Back to the section, bitch, I'm a weird 30 to bye-bye, be living. Take it straight to the streets and I get the garage say the wrong thing, you could die today. Oh, how time straight up the beat, baby. You was on still checking my swing. Still hitting licks, moving off the Greyhound. Watching for the take it straight to the streets and I get the garage say the wrong thing, you could die today.
Wow.
I just slapped this together last week. And it's not tuned or anything. I just slapped it together.
Really? Oh, Oh, so you just finished the box and all, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this past week.